Дневник Хача!
Prices are same.
Žiauriai gražu. Jūs jaučiate. Vilnius.
Žodžiu, varom į indišką restoraną. 2 savaitės prieš varant į Indiją. Galvojom, kur čia nulėkt, norėjom ryžių jūrų, bet nebuvo vietų, kažkokią japonišką norėjom, nebuvo vietų. Ir galiausiai nusprendėm, kad varom į indišką. Why not? Tai va, paskanausim, nei Diana, nei aš nesam daug skanavę indiškos virtuvės. O į Indiją, kadangi varom, visai galbūt pravartu būtų prasitestuot. Jo, ta restika, tai daug kur esu girdėjęs. Reklamavo jį labai stipriai kažkada, negi per radiją, važiuojant į darbą. Indian Suja Raja, kažkaip tai vadinasi. Gražus vakaras. Daug sniego, tiesiog negalim praeit. Excited?
Taip. Aš labai hungry. Alkana.
Good. Ką žinai apie indišką virtuvę?
Kari. Viskas.
Viskas?
Taip. Gali būti aštru. Ir jeigu tikras indiškas maistas, gali dar ant tūliko pasidėti biškį.
Jo, aš dar bandžiau biškį paguglinti apie indišką maistą, tai kadangi Indija labai didelė šalis, labai daug skirtingų kalbų, religijų ir savų kultūrinių niuansų.
Taip.
Tai ir virtuvė jų yra labai tokia skirtinga.
Vegan dalykų labai daug.
Bet jo, labai viskas, daug kas paremta ant prieskonių žaismo. Jie labai mėgsta eksperimentuoti su prieskonis ir jų yra daug. Ryžiai, vištiena populiaru.
Nu tai mes indiškai maitinamės kiekvieną dieną.
Aš manau, kad varyti restikus yra labai gera investicija, nors daug kas su manim nesutiktų. Su pirma, tai skaniai pavalgai. Su antra, tai gerai praleidi laiką. Su trečia, tai padarai savo merginą laimingą, ekstra laimingą. Dianai yra 2 dalykai, kurie labai patinka ir kurie ją labai atpalaiduoja. Tai maistas ir dar vienas, kurio neminėsim prieš kameras.
Aš galvoju, tu sakysi pasipuošti.
Pasipuošt.
O čia lietuviška grupė?
Lenkiška. Lietuviška.
Rimtai?
Davai, 3, 2, 1 ir padarysi porą mūsų. Stovėk čia. 3, 2, 1, improvise. Gerai.
Tu vartu.
Gerai pavariau.
Nebaisu?
Diana pasakoja man, kad kai montuosiu, reikia padaryti visokius efektukus. Ten zoom in, zoom out, panašiai. Bet aš esu už labai natūralų, needitintą content. Aš noriu būti lietuviškas.
Дневник Хача!
Matai, va atrodo iš išorės. Prieš pat katedrą. Let's go. Indiškas restoranas, indiški drambliukai, tapetukai, pasidabrintos kėdės, indiškas vaibelis, indiška mergina. Dar galbūt nepilnai patenkinta, nes dar negavo pavalgyti, bet aš jums parodysiu ją už kokią pusvalanduką. Šypsenėlė bus netils į šitą ekraną. Trust me. Man atrodo, ateina pas mus. Hi, can I film? Yeah? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Angie.
It's Anza.
Oh, Angie and Anza.
Anza.
That's nice.
Jalfrezi, right?
Yes, jalfrezi.
Okay. Maybe you can, I would suggest you can go with not vegan, just a vegetarian one.
Okay.
I will tell you why. In vegan, there will be no cream, no paneer. But in vegetarian, there will be cream and paneer. The taste is little more enhanced.
Okay, let's go.
That one also a vegetarian.
Okay. So for the starter, 2 share, 2 plates. Yeah, wonderful. Then I will go with traditional chicken tikka masala.
Okay.
Is it a good choice?
Yes.
It's like,
The most traditional one.
Yeah.
People like it the most selling.
yeah, cool. Let's go.
And I'll go with the prawns butter masala.
Okay. Maybe you can go with the different one because tikka masala sauce and the prawns butter masala sauce both have the onion and tomato. If you are going to have so maybe you can go with some different one. You can go with prawns malwani because the sauce of tikka masala and the prawns butter masala are same. If you wanna go with, you can go with, but my suggestion you can go with some different one.
Okay, which
Where
one?
you can try the different sauce as well, like prawns malwani you can go with.
Prawns malwani.
Vindaloo is very spicy. If you like, you can go with, but I would suggest you can go with prawns malwani.
Anjar, you're not upselling, you're speaking from your heart, right?
Yes. Prices are same.
Okay, okay. Wonderful. Then we have order, right?
Thank you.
Yeah.
So that's all for now.
Namaste, right?
Namaste. It's like
Yeah.
a greeting. Hello.
Oh, okay, okay. How to say thank you?
Dhanyavad.
How?
Dhanyavad.
Danyeva?
Dhanyavad or
Dhanyavad.
Shukriya. It's
Okay.
in India there is not a single language. There is different
Yeah.
language in different
Yeah.
places.
Okay.
So some people speak. I am from Kolkata. So there we speak like more or less like a Bengali or Urdu.
Yeah.
We
Okay.
said Shukriya, Dhanyavad.
Okay.
In Bengali, Dhanyavad sounds like Dhanyavad.
Okay. Actually, we're going to India in 2 weeks.
Ah,
To Hyderabad, then to Goa, and maybe New Delhi. So we decided to test some local food before.
Preparation.
yes. I wish you maybe you have a good experience there.
Thank you. Thank you.
I hope there will be good experience.
It will be. We will have local friends who will be hosting
Then it
us.
would be good.
Yeah.
They will suggest you
Yeah.
because it's a very big country, very
Yeah.
populated country.
Yeah. Let's see. Thank you.
Most welcome.
Thank
Can
you.
you take the video?
Sure. Oh my god, what a shame. I told namaste, like greeting, hello, as a thank you.
And how to say thank you actually? Have you learned? I haven't heard.
Something. But you know, they have like so many languages that you know in every language it's different. So I get there is like one more popular, if I'm not mistaken, like a Hindi one. But they speak like different languages, you know. Yeah. Excited?
Raskit bent jau du skirtumus.
Gavom pirmą ir patį svarbiausią patiekalą. Tai yra alus, ne koks, o indiška kobra.
The garlic naan, vegetable naan.
Thank you.
The masala
Wow.
and the prawns malwani.
Thank you.
I'm coming with that.
Thank you. Mano chicken masala. Indianos. Kaip tu pasakei? Krevetkės čia.
Jau kažkas tokio. Nežinau. Netoks aštrus. Nes ten buvo 2 pipirai, tai reiškia, kad aštriausias, bet toks visai normal.
Skonis?
Man patinka.
Trumpai ir aiškiai. Man patinka. Žvengia pamatyti mano kolegą lietuvį, kuris vedė Indiją. Čia jų vestuvės.
Aš nežvengiu. Man žiauriai gražu. Graži žmonės. Aš buvau korporatyve, Andžėjos darbe, Kaune ir mes susipažinom.
Sakau, Indai yra amazing. Čia yra pasaulio atradimas man.
Taip.
Rock and roll.
Toks creamy padažiukas.
And may I ask a quick question? Does she look like an Indian?
Yes.
I told you.
Really?
From which region you would say she is?
Maybe from Bengalis and all.
Okay.
Because Bengalis have the big eyes and
Yeah.
their eyebrows are black. I'm also Bengali. I'm from Bengal.
Bengal.
Bengal, because Bengalis have the big eyebrows,
Yeah.
big nose, big eyes.
Yes. That's interesting. I was always telling that.
Yes, all
Yeah.
the Miss Universe are from the in India. The Miss Universe are from the Bengals, Kolkata. Susmita Rai, Bipasa Basu, Aishwarya Rai, Vidya Balan, all are from. Even the first Oscar award winner is from Bengal, Kolkata. Kolkata is the cultural capital of India.
Hebryde. Vienas iš kriterijų man restike būnant, tai yra, kad būtų sotu, aš jaučiuosi pavalgęs. Jeigu man reiktų apibūdinti savo būseną dabartinę, aš sakyčiau, kad aš esu nesotus ir nepavalgęs, bet aš jau esu pavargęs. Tai liuks.
Aš tiesiog patenkinta.
And how did you end up in Lithuania?
Me,
Yeah.
my owner offered me.
Your what?
My owner.
Oh, your owner offered you to come. Are you happy about your decision?
Yes.
Yeah?
I took too many time because living Kolkata, it's a little difficult for me. Because
Yeah.
I can live Delhi, I can live Bangalore, I can live Goa, but Bengalis don't live their cities.
Okay.
But I live. My parents wants me to live so that you can explore. They ask me
Yeah.
to just explore.
Yeah.
Go for 2-3 years explore.
Yeah.
If you can't find it good, you can come back.
Yeah,
But I would definitely wants to go back to my new city.
for sure.
3-4 years, 5 years.
Yeah.
Maybe. But Kolkata is Kolkata. Lithuania is one of the best country that I have been. This is the first country that out of Kolkata even I have been here. I did my job 4 years in Kolkata. I got an offer from different cities, but I rejected because
What-
in Kolkata is.
And what do you like about Lithuania? Or Vilnius?
It's like a very peaceful, very slow city. It's like a Kolkata. Kolkata is also very slow.
Like Kolkata on
Gardens.
steroids.
Yes. Garden, but there is a population in Kolkata. But, you can say like there is a open space, lots of open space in Kolkata. There is lots of ground, lots of park, lots of trees. We have a biggest tree in India, banyan tree.
Yeah.
In Kolkata, which is the biggest tree. From one tree, there is more than 1800 trees.
Okay. Wow.
It's amazing. So many cultural information.
Yeah,
It's a
and
cultural capital of India since 70 years.
okay. And how long you are in Lithuania already?
1 year, 2 months.
Oh, okay. Welcome.
Thank you so much. People don't know about Kolkata because they don't show the Kolkata in the tourism sector.
Yeah.
It's one of the wonderful city. It's the first metro city. It's the first city which developed in India. Even all the freedom fighters and all are from the Kolkata.
Thank you very much. The service was amazing. The food was amazing. We enjoyed it very much.
I hope you guys to see you soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Happy New Year.
You
Thank
too.
you.
Happy New Year.
Thank you.
This was so cute. You're so cute. Such a cute conversation.
That she
looks like
Indian. It was a confident yes.
Yes. But I look like Indian, but from the beauty content.
Yes.
I hope so.
But why you're not proud of that? Indian people, they're like beautiful people.
I know, but I'm even more proud to be compared to Miss Universe. From
No,
India.
Išsisukai, bandžiau prigaut. Koks tavo verdiktas? Sužan Radža.
Mano verdiktas. O, patiko.
When she doesn't kiss you and you kiss.
I almost died.
So how did you like? Kaip tau patiko?
Patiko labai sočiai, skaniai, neįprastų skonių buvo. Noriu dabar paragauti daugiau indiško maisto.
Ir servisas fainas buvo.
Mes pirmą kartą atėjom prie eglutės šitais metais. The legendary eglutė. Vienoj varėm į kalėdinis miestelis, tos ir turėjom labai daug kažkokių expectationų, bet čia visiškai taip pat.
Netgi geriau. Netgi geriau.
Tai jo, galim parodyti, ką turim. Nes yra žmonių
2 metus aš karočią promautinau Dianai Vilnių, rodžiau geriausias vietas, buvau ambasadoris didžiausias. Ir po 2 metų pagaliau
Aš irgi
jaučiu,
tapau
kad
ambasadore.
įdirbis atsipirka ir Diana pradeda daryti tą patį. Let's go!
Vilnius.